Well, good morning. It's time to wake up. I know it's difficult, especially when it's early morning. Another 5 minutes of sleep should not be a problem. The day is going to be long and having enough sleep is important. You're not asking for another hour, it's just another 5 minutes and you're ready to go. But we perfectly know that 5 minutes will turn into an hour, if not more. Because all what you will be doing is pressing that snooze button over and over before you finally wake up. We all have done that. You head to the bathroom to take a shower and brush your teeth while your brain is still partly sleeping. If you didn't have to go to college or job, you would have slept for another 2 hours probably. Unfortunately, you have no choice but to go. And throughout the day, you feel tired, you feel lazy. You do stuff because you have to do them, not because you want. You don't feel motivated or excited about the day. And it's not always your fault that you didn't sleep on time. It's really frustrating. There is always a reason to sleep late. Something will pop out of nowhere, like when your friends call you to hang out at night. Even when you perfectly know that you will be coming home late night, you still agree to hang out for reasons that you don't understand yourself. But what's even more frustrating is that when you decide to sleep early, when you literally planned hours ahead, you head to your bed and you can't fall asleep. You're just lying on your bed. An hour passes and you still can't fall asleep, even though that you're really tired. So you decide, let me watch a movie, perhaps that will help me to fall asleep faster, right? At least that's what you believe at that moment. But we all perfectly know what happens next. The movie is over, it's already 2 a.m. and there isn't a drop of sleep in you. The next thing you realize that your alarm is ringing and it's the time to wake up, and the same process repeats. That kind of life sucks. You always feel tired. Of course, there are many reasons behind it, but it's mostly because you're too comfortable. There is nothing that's pushing you to be more active. You got your job, a stable income, and you do the same thing over and over every single day. What you need is to do something different and step outside your comfort zone. You will get a little nervous and your brain will be more conscious, and you will be able to accomplish what you thought was impossible. Remember when you used to study for your finals? The night before the test, you somehow study the entire textbook. You couldn't read it for the last few months, and now you do it in one night? Magic, right? That's because you stepped outside your comfort zone. You left your brain in a situation that it had no choice but to absolutely focus and stay conscious. Otherwise, you will fail the test. And guess what? You can do that every single day and be as active as the night you studied for your final. There are many ways to do that, but taking a cold shower is probably one of the best. If you're confused why, let me tell you. We hate cold showers. They make us feel horrible. Like, who would want to take a cold shower when you can take a beautiful warm shower where you can relax? And that's the point. It's a perfect recipe to step outside your comfort zone. You can't be taking a cold shower while thinking about something else. Your brain will concentrate on what you are about to do. You might get a little stressful or nervous because you're about to do something unusual. And after taking such a bold action, it's easy to get out there and start working because you're already outside your comfort zone. On the top of that, it will build that self-discipline within you to take more bold actions, like saying no to your friends next time when they call you to hang out at night. But cold shower isn't only about that, it has a lot of other benefits as well. In fact, studies have shown that cold shower actually improves your skin and hair. It also boosts your immune system and many other things. And now it's your turn. What do you think? How do you keep yourself outside your comfort zone to stay active? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, hit that like button if you have enjoyed this video, subscribe and click the notification bell if you want to see more. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.